If you're watching this video, that means you signed up for the Money Room program where we get to guide entrepreneurs on steps and things they can do to grow their businesses, right? So, welcome once again. This is from me to you, Maxwell, saying welcome to this interesting program. You can guarantee that something would shift about your business, things would change about your business, definitely. Okay, so before we kick off with the program, we're going to share a document with you, and I'm going to quickly walk you through the document in this video, right? Basically, it's going to be more or less like helping you to audit your business. You can be sure of one thing: by the time you're done filling this document, you would have spotted a lot of loopholes in business, right? So it's really something you want to follow through to the end. Made it a little bit easy, such that you can actually feel it. So I'll just explain from the top, right? So the title of the document, which is going to be the business of consulting. This is the workbook we use in the School of Business of Consulting, and it's an audit document. So all you need to do is this. So you go through this list. For example, we have business name, business logo, business email, business phone number, business website, business registration with CAC, business bank account. So if you have any of them, all you do is just check the box, right? So we're trying to identify what you have and what you don't have, so we know what we need to be working on. So you check the list for that. You come to finances, you check the list for that. You come to sales and marketing, check the list for that. Come to product development. So you can actually delete some things. The courses or books might not apply to you, right? But then things you feel that would help your products, you can actually fill them in and then check the box if you have it, all right? Do the same for business structuring. Check the boxes. Once you're done, do the same for scaling my business. Check the boxes for the ones that you have, right? So let's dive into the business audit proper, where we will get to look at your business in small bits. So you put in your name of the business, the date the business was founded, fill in all the information here, department, number of employees, business mentors if you have any. If you don't have any, you can make me your mentor. We'll take it up from there. Of course, I will introduce you to billionaire mentors, right? Definitely. I have a couple of them right now. Then they move on to evaluating your finance. You list out all the active and potential income streams you have in your business, assets you own, receivables, business liabilities, just fill in the information as it is. You can just edit document. Very important part. So you have to put in your revenue and your expense, basically. So we're trying to help you measure the gross profit margin for your business, all right? So you do that for 2021, 22, and so far 2023. Then you break it down, the income streams for 2021, 22, and 23 so far. The same as expenses. What are the things you spend on? So this will help you track the things you spend so much money on, which you might actually be able to reduce over time. Okay, so that takes us to product development. How many products does your business currently have? You can go on and on, so just fill it in. Once you're done filling that bit in, you have some other questions. Move on to sales and marketing. Do you have a well-defined marketing strategy for your business? So you have a well laid out plan and how you intend to execute that plan for marketing for your business, right? If you do, you can study it. If you don't, just feel free to leave it blank. Fill in all the other spaces right here. Then you move on to customers. How many customers have you had so far, right? So we're trying to help you identify your customer base and see how we can work your way up in increasing that. Now we're going to also be looking at how many repeat customers do you have, how many new customers do you have, right? So you do that for 2023, at least so far, up until when you'll be watching this video. After that, you move on to partnerships. So do you have partnerships with companies? If you have, what are they? and then you go on and on. Then move on to SWOT analysis. You can carry out a SWOT analysis for your company, for your organization, identify the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Trust me, this works magic for you, because what this does is it helps you identify your competitive advantage. We'll talk more about that in the money room, okay? And you take it up from there. You identify them just as you leave them in the boxes, and then after that you begin to set out the roadmap for where you want your business to go, where you want your business to find itself, right? um, and that involves articulating what the next level will look like. All right. Then you move on to setting smart goals. Okay, so once you've done a business audit, you begin to set goals, and then we round up with how you intend to achieve the goals, right? Action points, right? Now, for any bit where you are confused or you don't have enough information, do not be afraid. Don't worry, okay? We'll find a way to help out in course of the whole process, okay? So feel free to fill this in. It's like 28 pages, I guess. So we'll guide you, we'll break it down into days so you can do little in bits. If you don't have any of this information, don't worry yourself, right? That's why you are here for this program, okay? Hope identify these things and see how we can help you fix these issues and fill up these gaps in your business. I'm very sure that by now, if you must be look through the document and filled up the document, you identify some things you don't have, or some areas you were lacking, or some information you didn't have about your business. Now that could be interesting, right? So welcome once again to the program. This is a brief description of how you can fill the business audit document. So we'll take it up from there. Thank you very much for listening to this, watching this video. Thank you. Talk to you later. See you in the money room.